Programs like EPB's levelized billing can help take the mystery out of opening your power bill each month. But did you know that you can also see and help manage your home's energy use before you even get the bill? Keep watching to find out how. They say knowledge is power. So wouldn't it be great to know what your energy costs are at any given moment? Keep up with your home's energy use, notice spikes before they drive up your bill, set high bill alerts, identify big power users, and more with 2 helpful tools from EPB. Sounds pretty cool, huh? I'm Carrie with EPB, and I'm here today with EPB Energy Pro, Angela Henry, to tell us more about it. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Carrie.
Okay, Angela, what is the first tool?
The first tool is the EPB Home Energy Tracker. It's a helpful online tool that compares the history of your energy use to details about your home that you provide. Then it provides specific ways that you can save on energy and money.
That's great. So how do you get started using Home Energy Tracker?
Well, first you'll go to EPB.com and sign into your myEPB account. You'll see Home Energy Tracker. You're going to complete a survey about your home. You'll only have to do this once because it will save your information. Then you'll generate a home energy analysis. That's going to provide lots of specifics about your home. It'll help you find ways that you can save. It'll even identify if there's something going on with your HVAC system.
So just log on to your account on EPB.com to get started, right?
It's that easy.
That's great. Okay, so Angela, what is the second tool?
Well, the second tool is the free app called myEPB app, and it provides your current usage, outage information, and more right on your smart device.
That's just getting started. What else can it do?
Well, you actually can compare your usage. You can look back at the previous month, previous year, and if you see any type of extreme spikes in energy, that may help you to tweak your thermostat a bit or dive in further if there's something going on with your home. You can also set thresholds, so if your bill gets to a certain amount, you can set an alert and from there make adjustments in your home so that you can save on your monthly bill, or you can even set it at a higher amount. And if you were to get an alert, that might prompt you to know you need to service your HVAC or something could be going on in your home. You can also use it to look at current weather. And by looking at those weather patterns, if you see a recent spike, well, if the weather's extreme, that'll help you to adjust your thermostat and kind of offset your billing.
Is there anything else that it can do?
Well, the smart grid prevents most outages. But if there is a tree down or a power pole is fallen, you can use the app and report a power outage right from the palm of your hand. The myEPB app also provides real-time updates for any restorations and ETAs regarding your outage, so it helps you monitor as we restore power to your neighborhood and all throughout Chattanooga.
That's great. Thanks, Angela. The myEPB app uses information provided by the same smart grid that keeps energy flowing throughout the community. The smart grid includes an intricate network of automated equipment and sensors that continuously monitors power delivery and other indicators. This self-healing system has the unique ability to reroute electricity around problem areas and restore power for many customers in a matter of seconds. If you've ever seen your lights blink for a second and come right back on, then you've witnessed the smart grid at work. In fact, nearly 19 million outage minutes are avoided by the smart grid each year. But when storms and falling trees take down power lines and damage the smart grid, outages can occur. So just in case, and to better manage your energy use, download the myEPB app today. It's available free from the Apple App Store and Google Play. If you have more questions about your energy use or bill, keep in mind your EPB Energy Pros are available free of charge to provide you with answers on these and any other energy-related topics. All you have to do is give us a call. And be sure to watch our other videos in this series for more insight into your home's energy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.